Okay, guys, listen. Today we are going to see section B in the what is that? One of the question actually. This is 2 mark alone. We are going to see. Okay, right? This we don't want. I will erase this. So 2 mark alone will take. With the diagram we don't want. First 4 questions will complete. Right, ma. So first one, it's very easy. It's like a book bag model only. 3 plus 2 root 5. The very important you must learn here. Listen, when you have a single root like root 2, root 3, root 5, one type of question, and double root 2 plus root 3 and root 3 plus root 5 are a square root of any prime number. Like this they may ask, this is one type. In these two type only we will be squaring on both side, square on both side, like that we will be using. When we getting such type of question, 2 plus root 3, 2 minus 7 root 2, something else. Okay, 1 minus or plus you take, 1 minus root 5 or 1 by root 7 or 3, okay, 3 plus root 2, whatever like this, or root 2 divided 7, such type of question you will be getting in the sense, we no need to square. What my dear? No need to square. How to, what is that, remember this such type now, listen, when we have a rational as a one number in the given question, no need to square. What is that? No need to square. No need to square. Here no need to square for all this. See, there is a rational, there is a rational, there is a rational, there is a rational, there is a rational. There is a rational, no need to square. Directly we can go. When we have a both are irrational, we have to square. See, both are irrational. When it is P and Q are prime, it's irrational. Both are irrational. Both are given number fully irrational, na, and we have to square. That is the idea we have to follow. Do you understand? Right. Now here they are given that what is that full thing? Full thing they said that it is a root or what? What is given? 3 plus root 2. Then one is rational, one is a irrational, like that. So 3 plus what it is? 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational, like that they are given. Then what is always we will assume, let us assume the contrary part of given number is rational, that is which is equal to a by b, where b not equal to 0 and a comma b are co-prime and integers, both you take. Okay, co-prime and integers, both you take. Co-prime and integers, both you take. Now we have to find root value only. So root value alone you just keep it this side. Root value in positive, that is our luck. If it is in positive, just keep it as it is. Other number alone you send opposite. A by b, 3 when you send opposite minus 3, take cross multiple. So a minus 3 times of b divided b you will be getting. Root 5 alone you just keep it this side. Multiple 2 when you send opposite you will be getting divide. That's it. So root 5 is a irrational, because square root of any prime number is a rational, and a minus 3b divided 2b is a rational. Why? Because a and b are integer, we said already. Integer adding, subtracting, dividing, whatever you do, you will be getting integer. Integer always rational. So irrational not equal to rational. So our assumption is wrong. So that dialogue you have to write here. So our assumption is wrong. Hence the given number is a irrational. Like that you have to complete the answer. Do you understand, children? That is the way to present this. Okay. Right, Maharaja? Now next I am going. Raja, now 1 to 8 number we are going to find HCF. You take any number it's like a one type of question from the first chapter. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's not asked, but they will be giving something. Find LCM or HCF between 1 and 8. If they are telling between, don't consider 1 and 8. After between, if they are using the word both are included, they will be mentioning in the bracket both are included in the sin. You have to convert all the numbers into a prime factor first. 1 we can write as a 1 only, leave it. 2 also we can write as a 2. 3 also we can write 3, leave it. 4 we can write as a 2 square. And like that 5 we can write 5 as it is, that you leave it. And 6 we can write 2 into 3. 7 we can write as it is 7. 8 we can write 2 cube. Okay. Now, what is the HCF you will be getting for this children? All the 8 number, what is the HCF you will be getting? 1, very good. Okay, there is no common number. There is no common number in all the 8. So, HCF is what, my dear? 1. HCF is what, ma? 1. So, they will be asking what is the HCF of prime and composite number? Prime and composite number HCF is what, ma? Always 1. Whatever the prime number and composite, always 1. And they will be asking x comma y, xy and AB. HCF of xy and AB. What you will be giving? Xy is different, AB is different. So, answer is what? 1. Do you understand? Like that, there is no common number, you go with the 1. LCM is what? LCM is what? Product of all those number. What, my dear? Product of all those number. Here, if you have any greatest power number, that only we have to take. 1, you leave it, no need to consider. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, here 2 power 1. So, LCM in the sense what? Product of greatest number, no? So, you take greatest power 2 power 3. Next, 3 I am taking 3 power 1, 3 power 1, that's it. So, only 3 alone I am taking now, just 3 power 1. Next, what I am taking 5, only one time is there, 5 you multiply. And 7 also only one time, 7 you multiply. If you multiply all those things, that is the required answer for a LCM. So, why I am giving this such type of question also, they will be asking in the 3 mark or 2 mark in the first chapter. Don't expect always root sum they will be asking, like that don't expect always. Understand, they may ask like this type of question also. Do you understand, children? Right, now we are going next question. Alpha and beta are zeros, just zeros they said of the polynomial. Then we have to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. It's a important like innovative question. First I am writing the given question f of x, question number 22 my dear. Question number 22, f of x equal to x square minus 7x plus 12, and they asked to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta equal to what? That is they asking. Listen children, here we know that very well, sum of the 0 alpha plus beta equal to, we know very well, minus b divide a, which is equal to. Before going to that, what is that? We should write what is the a value, b value, everything. A value is what? 1. What is the b value? Minus 7. C value is what? 12. Now we can go to apply in this. Minus b value is what, my dear? Minus 7. Divide a value 1, which is equal, minus into minus plus 7 we are getting. Next, alpha into beta is equal to c divide a. C value what, my dear? 12. A value 1 equal to 12. Sorry, 12. That's it. Now we will substitute in the given question what they asked. You take cross multiple here, what I am getting, you take cross multiple like this, 1 into beta, beta, 1 into alpha, alpha, divide alpha into beta. So in the numerator, sum of the zeros we have what, my dear? 7. And denominator we have a product of 0. What it is? 12. So that is your required answer, 7 by 12. If it is possible to cancel, you cancel it, or else you just stop. That's it. So this is very easy, but don't expect always like 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. Sometimes they will be giving alpha divide beta plus beta divide alpha. And sometimes they will be asking alpha minus beta. Such type of question also they will be asking. Understand? You have to ready for all those things. So how you will be doing this? The first one, take cross multiple, alpha into alpha, alpha square, and beta into beta, beta square. So alpha into beta in denominator. So alpha square plus beta square formula we have to use. What formula? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times of alpha into beta divided alpha into beta. This is sum of 0, product of 0, product of 0. If you apply, you will be getting the answer. Do you understand? And here what you will be doing? Here what you will be doing? Square root of square root of alpha minus beta whole square, sorry, plus whole square minus 4 times of alpha into beta. Minus 4 times of alpha into beta. This is the formula. I think one of the exam they asked alpha minus beta. I think AC or somewhere else. For your, take a AC question. I think for you people they asked. Have you done this? Have you done this? Like this you have to go. This is by going formula type. This is by going what, my dear? Formula type. The same thing we can do some other method also. What method, sir? The same question we can solve by I factorization. What, my dear? I factor. 12 minus 7, 4 3s are, both are negative. Then x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 3, sorry. Okay, directly x equal to 3, right, x equal to 4, x equal to 3. So, alpha equal to 4 and beta equal to 3 you take, substitute here, what it is you see, 1 by 4, 1 by 3, take cross multiple you will be getting, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, divide 3 4s are 12, 7 by 12 you will be getting the same answer, okay, same answer. But sometime, don't expect you will be getting always I factor correctly, sometime the question will not come in I factor. The question will not come in I factor. That time we should go with this type of way only. Sum of the 0, product of 0 we have to find. Later we have to go with the what is formula types. And here also the formula types. Do you understand? If it is not coming I factor, we have to go the formula type. I factor is coming, we are lucky people. Directly we can apply. You will be getting the answer. Do you understand? Right. Now I am going the, what is the next question? 23rd. Right, fine. Second question will go, Raja. Sorry, 22nd we done, right? 23rd I am going. Okay. So 23rd question, what it is? We'll go. Yeah. Which term of AP? Which term of AP? Then see which term in the sense what we have to find? N. What formula we have to use? AN. Term word is coming now, we have to use AN formula. Which term in the sense? N only we have to find. Okay. Which term of the AP will be 132 more? See, which term in the sense? You just write AN because we don't know what is the term. Raja, which term in the sense? Generally AN. What, my dear? Generally AN. Will be in the sense equal. Is in the sense we are giving equal, no? Like that will be also equal only. Okay. Was also equal, is also equal, will be also equal. All the three, tenses they will be using here. So, will be also equal only. So, AN will be equal 132, give 132. More is there, more in the sense plus in the mathematics. 132 more than its 54th term. 54th term. Okay, which term will be 132 more than 54th term? That is the question. Do you understand how I am forming this? It's a very important. If you form this, remaining all very easy. Nothing is there. By reading the question, that you should write first. After that, when you solve, you will be getting everything. Everything you will be getting. You just write, what is the AN formula? A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 132. A 54 in the sense A plus 53D. As per this formula, I am writing directly. Now see, number fully one side, unknown fully one side you bring it, then you will be getting, this is unknown, no, you bring all together this side. So n minus 1 into D minus A minus 53D, which is equal to 132. See here, A value will be cancelled. Okay. Now n minus 1 into D. D value we can find by using this AP. Okay. D is equal to actually term 2 minus term 1. So A value, what is that? 3 is the A1, 15 is the A2. So that you will be getting 15 minus 3 equal to 12. 12 you substitute, 12 I am giving minus 53 into 12 again. For this D also we have to give this 12. Okay. Which is equal to 132. Understand? Now you multiply the 12 inside. You multiply. What I am getting? 12 times of n minus 12. Here 12 into 53 you multiply. 12 into 53. 636 Raja, 636. Add that 636 with 12. So what I am getting, because both are negative, add and put the same sign. 846, 648 equal to 132, right? So we have a 12 times of n minus 648 equal to 132 we have, minus 648, sorry 648 you send opposite, 12 times of n equal to 132 plus 648. So what I am getting 780, yeah. 780 multiple 12, when it goes to opposite it will be what my dear? Divide. Multiple 12, when you send opposite it will be divide. Now you cancel by the, what is possible? I think 4 table possible. 3, 4, okay. Here 1 4s are remaining 3. In 38 how many 4s are there? Huh? What it is? 4 table we are going, I'm right. 1 4s are 4, remaining 3. Yeah, 38. You will be getting a 9. 36. Remaining what my dear? 2. The 0 you bring. What are Raja? 5. Is it right? So how many time it is coming? 195. But 195 and 3, is it possible to cancel? I hope. Huh? Right. So 1 time how many time? 6 3s are 18, remaining 1 5. 60, 65. So n equal to what I am getting? 65. So which term? Which term you will be getting like this? 65. In 65th term we are getting like this. Okay, this is the question. Then n equal to what my dear? 65. I told you know which term in the sense we have to find n. Term in the sense we are going to use the an. So that n value we got and we used the term formula also. We used a term formula also. The way of going is very important. See, I multiplied 12 inside. I made like that. If you want to go, you go in some other way also. Like any other commonly taking and cancelling also you can do. The same thing also we can do like that. The same thing really you can do like that. See, we got a 65 no? This is one way of solving. Let me explain some other type. Wait. The same answer you will be getting without going big numbers. And here, don't multiply the 12 inside. Raja, some other method I will tell you. Don't multiply the 12 inside. Take commonly outside. So what I am getting? N minus 1. This minus 53, which is equal to 132. 112. How many 12? 132. 11 time. Is it 11 time? Is it 11 time? This is also one easy way. Now n minus 1 minus 53, 54 you will be getting, which is equal to 11. 54 you send opposite. 11 plus 54. Add together. 65. Same answer. But the idea, while doing time you should get this idea. Okay, we can take and we can cancel it. That is also one of the way. And you can multiply it, then also you will be getting the answer. That we saw in the previous step. Okay, we got a but big number, but you will be getting answer. You will be getting answer. The way of doing whatever Raja, but final answer you should bring the same answer. Understand? Right. Now we are going 24th one. 24th question I am going. 24th question we will go. Right. 24th question. Find the relation between x and y. Find the relation. See, this is actually from 7th chapter. When points are given from 7th chapter. In 7th chapter, if they are talking about relation, what it will come? Some equation will come. What it will come? Some equation. See, in 7th chapter, if they are talking about relation, its answer you will be getting some equation in the linear, x plus y equal to something, or 2x minus y equal to something, but the answer will be like that. Answer will be ax plus by plus c equal to 0 or something you will be getting. Understand? The answer will be in the linear formation only you will be getting. Shall we see this? What condition they are given? Such that the point x comma y is equidistant. Equidistant in the sense people will think midpoint. People will think midpoint. You should not go. Sir, equal distance, sir. See, sir, there is a straight line. There is straight line. Here A point is there, B point is there. C point if you take, A to C what distance? C to B also same distance. So equidistance. We can use midpoint, no sir. Like that you will be thinking. but you should not use midpoint. Why, sir, we should not use midpoint? Because they not mentioned the AB is a line segment. There is a line segment, you can go the same thing in a midpoint. The same thing you can go by midpoint. After equating, you will be getting the answer definitely. But here they not mentioned about line segment. See, the 2 points formed line segment. The 2 points formed line. The 2 points formed straight line. Such type of line, if they are given, such type of word they are given, we can go midpoint. 7, 1 and 3, 5. About that they didn't say anything. Just it's a point. What ma? Just it's a point. 7, 1, 3, 5 form a straight line. And x is the equidistance from this point. And then find a relation between this. Like that, if they are given, you can go with the midpoint. I told you, when it's a straight line, there is a midpoint. If it is not a straight line, you will not get a midpoint. Understand? Sir, if it is not straight line, then how the point will come, sir? Sir, it can come here. It can come here. The x, y will be somewhere else. When you join this, is it coming straight line? Is it coming straight line? It's not. But what they said, the distance between two things will be equal. This can be something, x, y. And this is first point, you take 7, 1. And this you take 3, 5. Distance, suppose this is A point and this is B point. The given thing is what? AC equal to BC. That's it. But ACB is not a straight line. Distance is equal. So then we have to go distance formula, not a midpoint formula. Do you understand? Right. Now I am going. So what formula we should use, that is very important. So I am taking AC is equal to what, my dear? BC. AC equal to what I am taking? BC. There we will be getting all those things. Understand? Right. I will take in the middle. AC is equal to BC. First A point what Raja? 7, 1. C point to x, y. Like that. B point 3, 5 and C point to x, y. Okay? Right. Now you just mention it. This is required x1, y1, x2 and y2. x1, y1, x2 and y2. Do you understand? What are you doing? Hey, Thambi, stand up. What's your name? Divagar. What are you doing there? What I am doing, what are you doing? You speaking with something then? Hey, sit down, man. Don't talk first. If you want to solve, you solve it. But don't make noise. It's getting disturbed actually. Don't talk. Ma, so use the formula, distance formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square, which is equal to square root of what it is, x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the thing. Now you apply, you will be getting an answer. Before that you square on both sides. When you square, you will be getting, root will be cancelled. Right. Now what is the x2 value here? X. So x minus x1 value 7. We have to use a plus b whole square. Y2 value y. Y1 value 1 whole square. Like that x2 value x. And x1 value 3 whole square. And y2 value y. And y1 value 5 whole square. So a plus b whole square, sorry, a minus b whole square, we have to apply for all those things. Apply carefully here. Okay, x square, 7 square. See, a square plus b square minus 2ab formula. Okay, 2ab, you will be getting like this. For next also, what you will be getting? A square plus b square minus 2ab. 2ab. Same manner here, a plus b whole square formula. What you will be getting? X square plus 3 square minus 2ab. 2 into a value, b value. Like that, plus y square plus 5 square minus 2ab. 2ab. You will be getting like this. Now the common thing with the same sign we can cancel on both sides. X square, y square and y square we can cancel. Anything is there commonly? Nothing. Right. Then you apply the what is that, power? 49 and here 7, 2 7s are 14, x, 1 square 1, 2 into y 2y, which is equal to 3 square 9, 2 3s are 6x here. Okay, and this will be 5 square 25 and 7 2s, sorry, yeah, 10y, 5 2s are 10, 10y you will be getting. Now we will be going the next. Now listen, here x fully, I mean variable fully one side, number fully one side, or you bring all those things one side, not a problem. Okay, now x will be highest here and this will be lowest, but you send all the left hand side value, send to right hand side, you will be getting the answer. Understand? Shall we go now? Eh? Shall we go? Right. Now I am going, we will see this. Right. First here is the 0 because all the left hand side value I sent to right hand side. All the values, what are the values are the 0? 9 plus 25, what I am getting? 34. Very good. And minus 6x minus 10y. When left hand side value when I send opposite, before that 49 plus what is the 1? 50. Plus 50 when you send opposite, minus 50 you will be getting. And plus 14x plus 2y because minus 2y when I send opposite plus minus 14 also when I send opposite plus you will be getting. Now you see carefully. Then first x and x. 14x and 6 we have to separate. What you will be getting? 8x. Next to y. Minus 10y plus 2y. Minus 8y. Plus 34 minus 50. What you will be getting? Minus 16. What is the common, children? 8. So divide on both sides. So what you will be getting? 0 which is equal to x minus y minus 2. That's it. The answer is over. So we can stop like this, or x minus y equal to minus 2 when you send opposite plus 2. Like this also we can stop. Either the first answer or the second. Like that also we can stop. That is your wish in your hand. Do you understand? So it is a very important. It's like a little it will be going big, but you should be careful with this type of question. Understand, children? Is it okay for you people? Right. Now I am going. Next one, Maharaja. What is the time now? By the way, what time? When it is getting over? Still 5 minutes more. Then only one question I will do, Raja. Only one question we will do. Question number 25. I think this is a book back question. Huh? Book back question we will leave it. Is it okay? Huh? Book back question we will leave it. And this 26. Shall we solve it? Is it neat? Shall we go? 26. Right. 26th we are going. So 26th I am taking. So solve the following pair of linear equations. Linear equations are given. So what is that? X divided 2, 2y divided 3 which is equal to minus 1, and x minus y divided 3 equal to 3. That's it. First you make it like a normal equation. You just simplify it. You take cross multiple. You will be getting idea. 3 into x, 3x. 2 2s are 4y divided 2 3s are 6 equal to minus 1. And here take cross multiple. 3 into x, 3x minus y divided 3 equal to 3. Whatever you have here, you send to opposite side. You will be getting normal equation. 3x plus 4y which is equal to minus 6. Answer number 1 now. And here 3x minus y. 3 3s are what you will be getting? 9. Answer number 2. Okay. See the coefficient of x here, children. 3x, 3x. We can cancel it now. That is I am going to do. So equation 1 implies 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6, and equation 2 implies I have 3x minus y equal to 9. Then you change it to opposite sign. What it is? Opposite sign. Minus, plus, minus, like that you just cancel it. Plus value, minus value, you just cancel it. See, this is plus y. After changing this, plus y, and this also plus. Both are positive. What you will be getting? We have to add it. 5 times of y equal to. See, this is negative 9. That is also negative 6. What you will be getting then? Negative 15. Then 1 5. How many 5? Very good. 1 5. How many times? 3. Then y equal to what I am getting, children? Y equal to what I am getting? Minus 3. Take the y value. Substitute either in 1 or in 2. You will be getting required value of x. If I am taking a 2 I will take. It is easy, I think 2. So 3 into x minus y. Y value minus 3 which is equal to 9, and 3x equal to minus and minus plus 3 which is equal to 9, and 3x equal to 9 minus 3 when you send the 3 opposite, and 3x equal to 6. 1 time, how many time, my dear? 2 when you cancel. 1 time, how many time? 2 you will be getting. 1 3, 2 time you will be getting. Do you understand, children? That's it. This is the record answer. It's a 3 mark. It's easy, no? Am I right? It's a 3 mark, but you have to do carefully. Either elimination or substitution you use. If they not mention method, here they didn't mention any method, just they said solve. Solve if they mention, you use either substitution or elimination, which is comfortable you feeling. That method you just apply, they will be giving full mark, not a problem, children. Do you understand? Okay. Is it okay? If you want to take notes, you just take a notes. I'll show you all the pages. This is 26th 3 mark. Is it okay? Right. Previously we did one big question. Like it's a big answer is big, but it's a 2 mark only. It's a 2 mark only. Okay. And this is 23rd. 23rd n value. Which term of question like that they are given? Actually, like it's a book back question, I think. Huh? Is it book bag or what? Or book bag model is there? Model is there. Book bag itself. Right, fine. Answer is 65. Okay, one question is there. Right, fine. Next, 22nd. 22nd also we did. Idea I given in two ways I given. One is formula way. Another one is taking I factor like that I given. The idea which is you feeling better that you use it. Not a problem. The sixth one, oh, it's a 1 mark. 1 mark in the previous video. That is leave it. It's not recorded. That is leave it. So 2 mark onwards we will be going. Okay? Right, Raja? That's it. We'll stop this. We'll continue, what is that, in the next video.